Okay, y'all. I'm gonna get to here. If you can hear at all any exhaust tone inside the truck, and this is what Walker Quiet Flow sounds like on the inside. And I got my factory stock air intake back on again with a fresh new filter put in it. So that's what it sounds like. That was from like a, not a hard pull, but a slow down at these railroad tracks. That's what it sounds like, giving it a little bit of a gas. A little bit of gas pedal on it. But as far as that goes, you're cruising about like this. This is what I drive. About 40. Keep that tachometer right there. That's cruising for me. And I don't hear no sound. Now giving it a little gas. Got a little bit of a glare, but you can see it. Still quiet. Nice and quiet. This sounds really good. So if you're wanting to go back stock and get your truck quiet again, whoa, check that out. Ain't that awesome? That's what you were hearing in a lot of my videos. The AH-64 Apache attack helicopter. Anyway, but that's what it sounds like. It's nice and quiet on the inside, other than the road noise from the tires. That's the really sound that I'm hearing now, is the all-terrain tires. And when they wear out, I'm gonna just put regular highway tires on this truck. Smooth, absorb some bumps, and have a nice quiet tire on it. I am pushing 40 years old, and that's what happens when you see old people. You getting old. So I want to end the video here. Hope you guys liked it for the interior sound of Walker Quiet Flow.